Are you tired because your outreach strategy getting not enough clients? After testing out 50 plus AI tools, I can say this AI tool can solve your outreach problem and help you to get 2 times more clients for your business. Just follow me step by step. So basically, I have my Loom video that I recorded for outreach purpose a year ago. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use a transcript of this video and will show you how you can actually improve the outreach for your business. Okay. So use this, go to the transcript, go to the notebook LM. Or let's I already pasted my transcript over here. Now from this notebook LM have the idea about my video transcript. Okay, about my video outreach. But now I also need it to know how what is the best way so we can figure out how to improve it. Okay, so let's first click on the discover best video outreach system. So I will search that. And this is the new feature of the notebook LM that can help you to actually go and search on web and to figure out the sources. So I will click on submit. So it come up with some sources from internet that works for my that works for the fix that I wanted to do. Let's see. So right now it is figuring out the sources. Okay, first thing which is the outreach is the most important for every business because your sales pipeline depends on how much you do the outreach, how much the starting flow, how much traffic is coming to your sales pages, right? So let's see. I tried this video prospecting tool, 2025 guide, 8 video prospecting tools, personalize your sales video prospecting will do. SensePark I record 10 video marketing trends, 7 video prospecting tips. Okay, what are the 11 tips to creating a successful outreach video? All right, so it seems a good content that can actually help me, so I will import that. Okay, and now I will ask it, uh, can you tell me what are the problems with my outreach video and how can I improve it? Okay, before I do that, I will just rename this. Okay, so my outreach video. Okay, and now I will ask this question. So it have all the information about my outreach video and the best of them out there and the best process for that. So let's see the output it come up with. So based on the information in the sources, you see there are several potential problems your outreach with. Well, let me tell you, this is a 1 year ago that I recorded, so don't judge me on the basis of that. Let's see the improvement points. Potential problems with your outreach video. Your video might be too long, prospect have shrinking attention spans are too busy, so aim to between 30 to 90 seconds. Okay, I aim like my video went for 5 minutes, right? Lack of personalization, your video might be too generic. Prospects are likely to guess they are receiving templates, emails if their video is not personalized. Okay, so my video need to be more personalized. Well, I think it is lacking somewhere because I think because it can't see what I record in the video. Basically, I talk about the real website, a particular person website. So that was already personalized. Okay. Anyways, let's see. So this point is actually not useful over here because I know the video. It can't see the video, only read the transcript. Okay. So poor introduction, you might not be grabbing attention immediately. Yes, that can be true. I did not know actually the best way. So I just randomly say something which actually useful thing, but not the best way to start the video. Now, unclear value proposition. Okay. So your video might not clearly explain how you can provide value. Okay. And weak for missing call to action. Okay, all right. Robotic delivery, if you are reading directly from a script, your delivery might sound unnatural. So that's not true point, but I think weak call to action, the starting hook was weak, and the unclear value proposition, those were the problems. So when you upload your video outreach, or if you already have a text outreach, maybe you are doing the email outreach, upload your process over here Let and ask, click on the discover on the left side and ask it to check for the sources which talk about the best outreach system, best outreach message, best outreach email. So it can compare your message, your email, your system with the best one out there and help you to figure out where you are actually lacking and how you can improve it. Okay. And the best part why I'm comparing this and not using the, because there are the chat gpt and other tools out there. Well, you can try with that. The best part with this tool, it can actually look for the youtube videos. Okay, because a lot of people make so good videos about this type of content. So like if you go for the chat gpt, they can't actually go on check on the youtube and their transcript, but notebook lm can actually do that. So this is the actually a pretty good thing. You can simply upload the YouTube video link, or you can ask it to search for that kind of content, and it will figure out the YouTube videos out there and use it for this purpose. So that's why it is really good in comparison to ChatGPT or any other chat model out there. Okay, and I really like the result it generated. Now let's see the mind map, because it also has the mind map. So let's see if there is anything for me in the mind map. I don't think mind map is that useful over here, but let's try. I will show you where it can actually so useful, but let's see in this case. So video prospecting, what are the things over here? Benefits, what are the benefits? Okay. Showcasing credibility, explaining complex ideas, standing out, improved response rates. Okay. Well, I don't wanted to know the benefits. Let's see the best practice. Okay. So personalized subject line, research prospect, conversational tone. Okay, focus on value proposition, keep it concise, engaging content, clear call to action, personalized thumbnails, share in relevant channels, track engagement. Okay, all right. Example and use cases, considerations. Let's see the considerations. Okay, video length. So what you have to consider basically, video length, I agree. The short videos sometimes are good, because people don't have a very high spend time these days. They don't wanted to spend so long time on something that until it is really very valuable. Makes sense? So video length sometimes matters, but sometimes the long video also helps your prospect to see how much value, how much efforts you put to come up with something, some solution for them. Okay. Scalability, team of collaboration, cost of tools. All right. Common concerns: video going unwatched, perceived as gimmick, time investment, and awkwardness on camera. So value when you are doing this video outreach. Okay, you have to also see this, like, are you getting the enough return as per the time that you are spending on that? Or if not, then maybe you have to look for some other ways. So basically, right now in this, I showed you how you can actually improve your prospecting using the Notebook LM. If you watched it till here, thank you so much for that. And I appreciate the amount of time you spend with me in this video. And I hope you like this video, you get something out from this video. So you can simply comment and tell me what is your biggest takeaway. One more thing, if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel so that you get such a good videos more for you that help your business to grow, because I make the content about AI tools, AI automations for business owners, online business owners who can grow your business with the help of AI. That's what my goal is. And if you wanted to learn directly from me, wanted more of my time, connect me on coaching calls, you can join the school membership. So this is all for today. I will see you in the next video.